My name is Duraid. I'm 55. I was born in Iraq. Then I have been moved to UAE, and then the company which is called Deep Performance is born. I mean, we become a big company after dealing with the wonderful people here, which is VentorTech. Actually, Deep Performance is a company established in 2014. We started in one branch. We call it a branch, actually. After that, we decided to expand our business. Then we opened another branch. It's a branch, it's called a branch, but the reality, it's individual company, entity. It has a different chart of account, different inventory, all the details, and then we also moved to open another branch, so it's become like 3 branches, but the reality is all of them are 3 companies, 3 different companies. It has different chart of account, different inventory. And the help comes from those team, which they have done a wonderful work that we could do all the operation inside the company in a wonderful way. When the company established, big challenges started at the beginning. When, as what I mentioned, it was an old ERP system which we ran with, and then in 2020-21, I remember it was Odoo 14 with a local developer. We faced a lot of problems, but I didn't give up. I said, Odoo, it has ability for 100% sure, but I have to choose the right developer. So the reality, one of you guys maybe will ask, why VentorTech? VentorTech, actually, they have one key. The key is their application, the third-party application, because I got enough experience with Odoo. At the beginning, when I just sort out the right developer to whom I have to go with, so I found that the direct print, because I used to face a lot of problem with IoT, internet connection. I don't know what I have to do. I have to bring a lot of cables, a lot of nets to the company to get this invoice printed directly, but I discovered that those people, they have already an application, a third-party application. Then I said, if the company who has this much of smart application, I have to go with. I tried to contact them first time. They said, sorry, we don't have enough time. I said, why? I don't know. But I keep waiting till the time it comes. Then I started with them. I didn't give up, actually. I continue and start having beginning meetings, and then I show them what I have, what is the problem, what I am facing. Are you willing, guys, to do it? It's like a simple things that they said yes. I said, how much they trusted themselves. Let we try, let we continue. Then it started in 2023. Then we keep going on with the project, small project, and then next project. Then I requested them, and that is the wonderful support they give it to me. At the time when everybody celebrating New Year and Christmas and enjoying the life, they assign the right people and to be with us for the opening balance and just to be the first of 2024 to allow us to go live. This is the wonderful point for you guys. Thank you. Thank you. Wonderful.
Thank you too.
Project manager. I love Daria a lot. She's doing something amazing. Second thing, when we went live, there are some challenges in here. Mistakes, errors in here, errors in there, but they could solve out. Within 2024, we could make everything almost proper. Then I become greedy. I didn't stop myself. I want to grow. I want to be different. Odoo is allow me to be. This is the right base. When you want to build up a building, you should choose the right land. So the Odoo is as an ERP system is wonderful. Thank you, Fabian. I wish you can see the video. So we can go with we could build up a system with the right people that they can make my dream truth. It's easy, everything. So I did not stop myself. Since when I met some people here, they said, do you have a company here or you do some implementation? I said, no, I'm just a customer. They look at me like, are you stupid? Why you are coming here? You should just make a business. I said, no, I'm coming here to celebrate the success of Odoo with the wonderful guys, which is VentorTech. Thank you, Fabian. Thank you for VentorTech for what you did to us.